Hi guys, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the top 3 best adjustable DC power supply options that deliver precise voltage control, stable performance, and reliable power for electronics projects, repairs, and lab work. Let's take a closer look at these powerful tools. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply is designed to deliver reliable and precise power for a wide range of electronic applications. Built with a compact structure, this power supply offers a small size, lightweight body, and high power density, making it suitable for workbenches, laboratories, repair centers, and DIY electronics projects where space efficiency and portability are important. One of the key features of the Wanptek DC power supply is its intelligent constant voltage and constant current switching. The system automatically transitions between constant voltage and constant current modes depending on the load requirements, ensuring stable and safe power delivery for sensitive electronic devices and circuits. The device is equipped with a clear LED display that simultaneously shows voltage, current, and power readings. This high-precision display allows users to monitor output values in real time, making it easier to maintain accurate control during testing, charging, or circuit development. With both coarse and fine adjustment knobs, users can smoothly regulate the output voltage and current from 0 up to the rated value, providing precise tuning for different tasks. Wanptek's adjustable output capability ensures flexibility in operation. The output voltage can be continuously adjusted from 0 volts to the rated voltage, while the output current can also be adjusted from 0 amps to the rated current. This level of control makes the power supply suitable for electronics repair, battery charging, component testing, and educational use. To ensure reliable operation and device safety, the power supply includes multiple protection systems. These include overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and overtemperature protection. Together, these safeguards help protect both the power supply and connected devices from potential damage during operation. Cooling is handled by a temperature-controlled fan that activates automatically when needed. This system maintains stable operating temperatures while keeping noise levels low and extending the overall lifespan of the unit. The Wanptek DC power supply also supports dual voltage input, allowing it to operate with both AC 110 volts and 220 volts power sources. This flexibility makes it convenient for use in different regions and environments. As a programmable DC power supply, it provides consistent, adjustable, and dependable power for various electronic projects and professional applications. Coming in at number 2, we have the Kuaiqu Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Kuaiqu Adjustable DC Power Supply is a versatile and reliable power solution designed for laboratories, electronics testing, and professional repair work. With advanced control features and flexible output options, it provides users with precise power management for a wide range of applications. One of the standout capabilities of this power supply is its 3 output modes, including independent, series, and parallel configurations. These modes allow users to adapt the device according to different testing requirements. In independent mode, each channel operates separately, enabling users to control voltage and current individually. When switched to series mode, the outputs combine to provide higher voltage, while parallel mode increases the available current for demanding tasks. The unit features dual-channel output, giving users the flexibility to power multiple circuits simultaneously or perform complex testing setups. Each channel can be adjusted independently, allowing precise voltage and current control for different devices or components at the same time. This makes the power supply especially useful for engineers, hobbyists, and technicians working with various electronic systems. Accuracy is another key aspect of the Kuaiqu adjustable DC power supply. It delivers high-precision voltage and current readings, ensuring dependable measurements during sensitive testing procedures. The clear digital display allows users to monitor voltage and current values easily, helping maintain stable operating conditions for electronic devices. To enhance safety and reliability, the device includes multiple protection mechanisms. Built-in protections, such as overcurrent protection and overvoltage protection, safeguard both the power supply and connected equipment from unexpected electrical issues. These safety features make the unit suitable for long-term use in professional and experimental environments. Overall, the Kuaiqu adjustable DC power supply combines flexible output modes, dual-channel control, high-precision measurement, and advanced protection systems. Its adaptable design makes it a practical tool for electronics development, circuit testing, maintenance work, and educational laboratories where stable and controllable DC power is essential. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fnirsi adjustable DC power supply. The Fnirsi IPS3608 adjustable DC power supply is an advanced AC-DC intelligent digital control power supply designed to deliver stable and precise DC output for a wide range of applications. By utilizing modern digital control technology, the device efficiently converts AC power into DC power while offering a higher level of intelligence and control compared to traditional power supplies. One of the key highlights of the Fnirsi IPS3608 is its convenient parameter adjustment system, allowing users to easily set and fine-tune voltage and current levels. This flexibility makes it suitable for both simple and complex electronic tasks, where accurate power control is essential. The power supply also features high-precision output, ensuring reliable and consistent performance during sensitive measurements and experiments. The device is built with a strong dynamic response capability, enabling it to adapt quickly to changes in load conditions. This ensures stable power delivery even when the connected equipment demands rapid fluctuations in current or voltage. The digital control interface further enhances usability, offering a clear and efficient way to manage settings and monitor output values. In addition to its performance features, the Fnirsi IPS3608 includes multiple electrical protection systems designed to safeguard both the power supply and connected devices. These protections help prevent potential issues such as overload, short circuits, and other electrical faults, ensuring safe and dependable operation in demanding environments. Thanks to its intelligent design and reliable performance, the Fnirsi IPS3608 is widely applicable across various fields. It can be used as a personal measurement power supply in industrial manufacturing processes, laboratory and experimental equipment setups, and even in medical power applications. Its ability to meet diverse and high-precision power requirements makes it an essential tool for engineers, technicians, researchers, and electronics enthusiasts. Overall, the Fnirsi IPS3608 adjustable DC power supply provides a modern solution for delivering stable and accurate DC power, supporting the growing needs of today's technology-driven industries in electronic development environments. Power up your projects with the right tool. Check the price link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech content.